So we got another HOTO product for you today. This is their wireless HOTO hot glue gun. It's an easy flow hot glue gun. Let's open this up and see what comes inside the package. Unfortunately, it got a little jammed up in the mail on the way here, but it should be perfectly fine. This is the actual unit itself. It's got a little cover here for safety. That's the heating element for the glue. That's the power on button. And then we have a trigger, I'm guessing, to help push the glue sticks in. Let's see what it comes with in here. Got a manual. And wow, they have provided us with multiple glue sticks of varying colors too. You know what? Why be boring? Let's use gold. So many different colors. I see gold and silver. So cool. All right, so you just stick the glue stick in there. Hold the power on. It blinks up to let you know it's heating. The warning on here says, after the glue gun is turned on, do not touch the front part of the gun so as to avoid getting scalded. Do not pull out a used glue stick. When no glue is output, gently push forward the glue bar at the end. Indicator says, when blinking white, it's heating. Solid white, it's ready for use. Blinking red means it's low battery. That is good to know. It actually is already solid white. That was incredibly fast. It took the time for me to read that it was fully heated up. We just... There you go. And there we go. That's really cool. You haven't thought about that. You could actually do your signature in hot glue on letters, but then it'd be peelable. People could take your signature with it. But look at that. I love that gold glitter glue stick. That is cool. I know that's not specific to just HOTO, but that's just really cool. I like that design. But yeah, it came out pretty fast. Stored it in there. It's got a motor that literally is going to push the glue stick through the system. Once it runs out of glue, you just put another glue stick in there. But yeah, that is really cool. I think I'm out of that glue gun stick. Power off. Ooh. Ooh. But yeah, so that is just so cool, and it's very low profile. Reminds me a lot of the traditional glue sticks that we're used to from our childhood, and how like small they were compared to these newer like high-tech ones. But this being so low profile, like this can fit in your crafting box. You can take it on the go when you're going out to craft to help someone on a project. It's very low profile, very cool. Well, hopefully you guys found this interesting. Hopefully this will fit a niche or need that you have in your life, whether it be for crafting, for gluing together projects, or just because you just love hot glue. I mean, who doesn't remember the times as a child where you put hot glue all over their fingertips and then peel off like a copy of your fingerprint to do something fun with? It's just what you do as children, so why not keep it up, right? Well, if that's interesting, hope you experience it for yourself. We'll see you guys next time for your next crafting needs.